May client ka na ngayon, ano naman ang sunod nating gagawin? Kailangan mong mag-send ng welcome packet. Nandun lahat ng details na kailangan malaman ng client mo. Kung paano kayo mag-uumpisa, anong sunod, anong sunod, anong sunod. And this is a mistake na ginagawa ng mga beginner social media managers. They just let client do the process. Kailangan kasi ikaw ang magbibigay ng process sa kanila so hindi ka ma-micromanage. Send the welcome packet. Okay, Shara, ano yung nasa loob ng welcome packet? First is the welcome message. Doon mo sasabihin na thank you for choosing me as your social media manager. Second, nandun yung mga packages, deliverables na pinag-usapan nyo na gagawin mo with a specific rate. And third, nandun yung business hours more the communication. Let's say, we have client na international and we have time difference. And syempre, hindi naman tayo 24/7 online, no? Hindi tayo customer service. So, para malaman ng client kung kailan ka magre-reply sa kanila at hindi sila magalit kasi hindi ka nagre-reply because we have 12-13 hours time difference, kailangan nandun yun. Kailangan aware yung client and kailangan alam din ng client kung saan kayo mag-uusap na channel. I am using WhatsApp for communication with my clients. And after the communication, meron pa tayong work process timing. Doon mo ilalagay kung paano mo pinoproseso yung isang job na in-avail sa'yo ng client. For example, you are offering full social media management and one of your processes is doing the market research, creating content strategy, creating content idea, planning content calendar, editing, approval, and posting. Kailangan ipaintindi mo yun kay client. Yung 8 process mo na yun, kailangan nandun siya sa work process timing para alam ni client yung sunod-sunod mong gagawin. You need to be transparent with your process. And after the work process timing, nandun din sa welcome packet yung intake form. Doon natin kinukuha yung mga details that we need from the client, like the business overview, the target audience, the competitor or the inspo, details of the account, yung password, username nila, yung branding nila, like the photos, if ever meron silang business photos, meron silang mga branding, kasi sila magbibigay nun. And other details that you need from them. Doon nila yun sasagutin. And ginamit ko ang Google Form to get those informations from them. And nasa loob siya ng welcome packet para isang bagsakan kung ibibigay kay client. And after the intake form, nandun yung contract agreement, nandun din yung invoice, and the next step. Para alam ni client na once na fill out na nila yun, nabayaran na nila ako, alam nila kung ano yung sunod kong gagawin. Do you have it? Meron ka ba? Ready na ba yung template mo na yun? Kasi kung meron ka ng template, iibahin mo na lang yung mga pangalan and other details so you can send it to your multiple clients. Pero kung wala ka pang template, good news because I have social media templates. Just comment board and I will send you the link.